So obviously we're seeing the same sort of speculation in the marketplace as we talked about last week, with people anticipating what's going to happen in this OPEC meeting next month. Will there be a production freeze? Some of the market investors are starting to say, hey, you know, it might be a little bit inflated, the price of oil. So I expect today that it might actually slow down a little bit to climb. But oil, as far as the prices go, is up quite a bit, up over $3 to $48.55 versus $45 last week. The Canadian dollar following suit, as it always does, to 77.71 cents US. That's up from 77.35 cents US. And what we're actually seeing is that in the marketplace, our listings are staying pretty flat right now too, and sales are actually creeping up a little bit. We're, I guess, actually seeing a bit of a busy end to August.
Yeah, I mean, we're going up a tiny little bit. So this week we're at 6,000 versus 5,989 last week. Red Deer 647 versus 655 last week. And you know, those numbers are looking pretty good. We were at a lunch meeting at a bar and restaurant downtown who was talking a little bit about the commercial landscape right now, and they were mentioning the vacancy rates and how, you know, some companies with 2 offices have moved all of their employees into one building versus the other. But what's interesting about that is a lot of those people have actually moved out of the city completely. So to see some of the inventory we're at right now in terms of sales, it's actually not that bad considering what movement is looking like.
Yeah, commercial is hurting obviously more than a lot of other stuff, which we'll see kind of follow suit because jobs drive sales and stuff like that. So it's we'll see what September brings as people kind of get back into the buying mood. And
but this is looking okay considering.
Yeah, it's holding up very strong, and we see that with still being a balanced market with our months of inventory. Calgary, obviously the total is staying quite flat from last week, sitting at 3.64 months of inventory. Single-family homes fairly flat as well, 2.71. It is up slightly, but just slightly. And condos have come down a little bit from 6.35 down to 5.96. Obviously, condos still sitting in that buyer's market territory.
Looking in the surrounding areas, you know, kind of similar again. Okotoks 3.83, Airdrie 3.57, Cochrane 6.31, Strathmore 5.92, Sundre's at 7.89, and Red Deer is sitting at 4.9. So obviously, kind of pretty stable in those areas as well. And our benchmark price, you know, same, $440,000.
Absolutely.
Not too much movement there in the last little bit.
No, but we do see a lot of people who are, you know, normally who would buy maybe a townhouse, now moving to detached homes as an option. People looking for apartments are now moving to townhouses. So we're getting that sort of uptick of activity in lower price homes where people can get more value, which is always creating a good opportunity for buyers. So get out there and work them because the deals are out there to be had.
Yes, absolutely.